Hello and welcome everyone. If you want to know how I made this beautiful golden space, then keep on watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated. For this pour I've used the leftover colors from the last pour, Intergalactic. So it are the same 6 colors, only I had more gold left and less of the other colors. I'm also reusing the same dirty cup I used in Intergalactic, so there are some paints left in there that is again used in this pour. I forgot to start to click record, but this is my pouring cup. Because it's a smaller canvas, I don't need the cup to be fully full.
You know my heart will follow you in tomorrow. In tomorrow.
As you can see, there's a lot of gold in there, and you know silicone and metallics don't really play nice, but in this pour it was perfect. I got a lot of beautiful cells because the silicone really wanted to get on top of the painting, and that's how I got these beautiful cells and the colors underneath popping up through the gold paint.
One open to an everlasting love. Exhale the past, inhale the future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind.
You saw the reaction that the burner has on the paint. All these beautiful cells are popping up. Some cells weren't that beautiful, and that's why I poured them off. That were the cells on the bottom that were a bit weird and didn't really form well with a beautiful line around it. I'm really stunned by this beautiful pour. It looks amazing. It's really beautiful. I think it's one of the best paintings I ever made. The cells are really beautiful as well. So I'm really loving this one. And again, sometimes the most beautiful paintings happen with leftover paints. I don't know why. Maybe it's because you don't think about which colors you're using. You just pour in what's left over. But this is the result of a really beautiful leftover paint. If you are interested in any of my paintings, please check out my Etsy shop. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope it helped a bit. Maybe you're gonna try using more metallics in your paintings. Please subscribe and leave a like. It's much appreciated. And see you next time.